Hi, and welcome to another video in the series on Vedic Math Techniques. In this particular series of videos, we talk about various shortcuts, tips, and tricks to make your calculations faster. These videos are brought to you by the YouTube channel Unacademy. Please subscribe to it. And I am Ravi Handa, and I run this website called handakafunda.com. Do check that out as well. So this is the 13th video in the series. We like to call it chapter 13. And in this particular video, we are going to find out how do we actually figure out the last two digits of a number. For this particular video, we are going to restrict our discussion to the numbers which either end in 1 or end in 5. What I do recommend to you is that before you proceed, just watch video number 12, the chapter 12, where we are trying to figure out the last digit. And if you are interested in finding out last digit for numbers which end in 3, 7 or 9, the odd ones, or let's say the even ones like 2, 4, 6, 8, probably you should watch chapter 14 and chapter 15. I recommend you watch them after you have seen this particular video, because the concepts that we discuss in this video, the fundas that we learn in this video will be used in chapter 14 and chapter 15. So this becomes really important. Now, the first thing that I like to tell you, when you are trying to figure out the last two digits of a result of something raised to the power of something, the most important idea is that only the last two digits matter. What I'm trying to say is 1, 7, 1, 9, 3, 2, 1 to the power of 3, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4. If you have something like this, the only thing that matters in figuring out the last two digits, at least in these cases or in any case, will be just the last two digits of the base, or 2 or 1. Whatever is before it is of absolutely no significance. So this question and this question are absolutely the same. With the 17193 or without the 17193, they are absolutely the same. Now, how do you figure out the answer when your number is like this, which is A1? So something which is ending in 1 and it is raised to the power of B. The last two digits of such a number will be, you write down first the product of A and B, or not the product, maybe just the last digit of A into B, whatever it is, that will form the second last digit, and the last digit will be 1. Yes, that's straightforward. That's your answer. That's it. So for example, if this was the question given to you, your answer would be 1 would be the last digit, and 2 into 4 or 8, 1 would have been your answer in this case. That's it. Nothing beyond that is required. On the other hand, if you get a number which is something like this, a number ending in 5 raised to a particular power, in that case, if A and B both are odd, yes, if A and B both are odd, in that case, your last two digits will be 7, 5. In all other cases, your last two digits will be 2, 5. That's it. So if both the numbers which are before 5 and the power to which it is raised, if both of them are odd, then you get 7, 5 as the result. Otherwise, you get 2, 5 as the result. Let's check it with a few examples. 35 to the power of 72. So what will be my answer here? 3 is odd, 72 is even. Both of them are not odd. If both of them are not odd, then my answer is 25. How about 75 to the power of 29? The number before now is 7. Power is 29. A as well as B, number before 5 as well as the power, both of them are odd. My answer is 75. How about this? The number before is 46. So this is even. Power is odd. Are both of them odd? No, both of them are not odd. One of them is even. In that case, my answer will be 2, 5. So I'll repeat. If it is 5, all you need to check is the number before 5, that is A, and the power, which here is B. If both of them are odd, you get 75 as the answer. It is actually that simple. In case of 1, you'll need to make some calculations. So let's do that. If you remember, what we said was it will be the last digit of A into B. that is whatever is A, the number before 1, and B, the power. So in this case, it will be 7 into 152, or the last digit. We only need the last digit, so we can just do 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14, so it ends in 4. So what will be my answer? My answer will be 41. What will be my answer here? 3 into 2 is 6, so my answer would be 61. What will be my answer in this case? 3 into 6 is 18, or last digit is 8, so 81. Please note, I did not multiply the entire thing because I do not need to multiply the entire thing. If you notice, what I said was I just need the last digit of A into B. So there is no need to multiply the entire thing. I can just do 3 into 6, get 18 or 8, and I know for a fact that it would end in 1. How about 51 to the power of something? So all I need to do is 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30, or the last digit is 0. So what will be my answer here? My answer will be 0, 1. Yes guys, it is actually that simple. So if you want to find out the last two digits of a number ending in 5 or 1, for 5, all you need to check is whether both of them are odd or not. And for 1, you just need to calculate the last digit of the number before and the power. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned from it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and academy. Thank you.